Did you...
That is amazing!
Oh my God! Honey! He also had...
What's your name?
My name is Sarah Huft. This is Echo.
How old is he?
He's a 15-year-old double yellow-headed Amazon.
All right, well, good luck, Echo.
What's your name? Can you say hello? How about hi?
Hi.
And Spanish, hola.
Hola.
And que pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
And we don't go fast enough. You want to hurry.
Arriba, arriba.
Hurry.
Arriba, arriba.
All right, we're going to sing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can we do old?
McDonald at a bar.
Very good.
That bird has talent.
And we have a lot of animals. What do we have there? Did you see a chicken? A chicken. How about a rooster?
Wow.
Did you see a sheep? A sheep. His favorite animal is a kitty. A kitty. And you do a chihuahua. Chihuahua. Beautiful, honey. What a good boy. He has a couple people impressions. He does an excellent sneeze. Can you cry? And everybody thinks you're pretty funny. Funny. He also has his grand finale song, so we're going to do a little warm-up. You ready? La. Very good. Echo, honey, where do bluebirds fly? I love that one. Give everyone a big kiss. Big kiss. Tell them.
Hello. What's your name?
I'm Debbie,
And
and this is, what's your name? Danny. He's going to be 21 years old in July.
and how long have you had him?
I raised him from the day he hatched out of his egg.
Wow. I can't wait to see the act, so good luck.
Thank you. You know, a lot of people get upset with parrots because they all expect him to talk, but they don't expect him to squawk like that. They get mad at you when you squawk. What do they tell you? Shut up. Shut up. He's doing pretty well, but unfortunately, I've actually been a little bit under the weather, so he's learned a new one. Mommy's been sick. Has she been sneezing? Yeah. Now, he's a little bird, so he has a smaller voice, but he's very excited. You happy to be here? Are you smart? You are? The smartest bird in the world. Really? You want to prove it? Right now? You sure? Okay. Now, he does like to prove how smart he is by doing animal impressions. Can you do a pigeon? Do another pigeon? What does a duck say? What's a doggy do? Doggies do. This is the big scary one. Can you do a kitty? One more kitty? Now let's see. If I do the animal impression, if he'll know what it is. Nobody say it. He's got to figure it out himself. Let's see if he knows. Okay, listen, listen. Ready? Okay. I'm a chicken.
That is amazing!
Woo! Big bow. That's his big bow. That's the end.
Hello. All right. Hello. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm Joe the Birdman.
Hi, Joe the Birdman. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been actually training birds for 38 years.
Who is this?
This is Tika. Tika is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot from Central America, and I rescued her a year ago, and she is just phenomenal. She's the best talking parrot I've ever met. When we pull up to drive-thru, she tries to order.
Really?
Yeah.
How great is that? So go ahead, do your act.
All right. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Are you happy?
Are you a happy birdie?
Yes, everybody
I'm a
is
happy
happy. You want to play some games? How about this one?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, there you go. Here's another game. Ready? Now, when I touch her, it changes to... There you go. Now, Tika actually sings several songs. We're going to start with this song. You ready? Here we go, Tika.
How does this
Sing
song
it.
go?
Hush.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
There you go. One more.
That's great.
Let's try this one. Sing it.
Sing it. Happy birthday to you.
Let's vote.